Welcome to Star Chat, the cosmic conversation that explores the wonders of the universe and our place within it. As we ponder the mysteries of the cosmos, we're reminded that even in the vast expanse of space, the laws of economics still apply. Imagine being part of a mission that's launching 31 rockets into space, each carrying a payload of innovation and discovery. That's what Rocket Lab is achieving, with a record number of launch contracts in the first quarter of 2026. The company's sales have accelerated by 64%, reaching $200 million, and its backlog of launch contracts has grown to $2.2 billion, a staggering 108% increase from the previous year. As we delve into the world of Rocket Lab, we're reminded that even in the face of significant momentum, there are risks involved. The company isn't yet profitable, with a net loss of $45 million in the first quarter, and its stock is trading at a premium, with a price-to-sales ratio of 53. This is a stark reminder that investing in space exploration is not for the faint of heart. And yet, as we gaze up at the stars, we're drawn to the thrill of discovery and the potential for growth. Rocket Lab's upcoming Neutron rocket is poised to launch multiple advanced flat satellites, and the company has secured contracts with the U.S. Space Force worth hundreds of millions of dollars. The question on everyone's mind is, will Rocket Lab's stock price rebound, or will it continue to be volatile? As we navigate the complexities of the space industry, we're reminded that critical thinking and skepticism are essential tools for any investor. We must consider the evidence, weigh the risks and rewards, and approach each opportunity with a nuanced perspective. In the grand scheme of things, Rocket Lab's story is just one chapter in the ongoing saga of human exploration and innovation. As we strive to push beyond the boundaries of what is possible, we are inspired by the sheer scale and wonder of the universe. With billions of galaxies stretching out before us, the potential for discovery is limitless. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the world of space exploration and investing. The stock took a tumble after the release, but Jim Cramer, a well-known financial analyst, has a unique perspective on the situation. He believes that investors should be thinking long-term when it comes to SpaceX, comparing the company's ambitious plans to the railroad construction boom of the past. Cramer suggests that just like the railroads, SpaceX is laying the foundation for a massive infrastructure project that will take years, if not decades, to come to fruition. He's talking about orbital data centers that can draw power from the sun and potentially revolutionize the way we store and process data. It's a bold vision, but Cramer believes that patient investors will be rewarded in the long run. This got me thinking, what does it mean to be a patient investor in today's fast-paced market? Is it possible to think in terms of decades rather than quarters or years? Cramer's comparison to railroad bonds is an interesting one. He's essentially saying that investing in SpaceX is like buying a 100-year bond. You put your money in, and then you let time do the rest. It's not for everyone, especially in today's market where news cycles are short and attention spans are even shorter. But if you're willing to take the long view, Cramer believes that SpaceX could be a game changer. So what do you think? Are you ready to bet on SpaceX and its ambitious plans for the future? Or do you think this is just a case of hype and speculation? Let us know your thoughts. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's take a closer look at a company that's been making waves in the space industry, Space Exploration Technologies Corp., or SpaceX for short. With its ambitious plans for space exploration and satellite internet, it's no wonder that investors have been eager to get in on the action. However, as we've seen with many companies that experience rapid growth, there can be a correction in the market. In this case, SpaceX shares have declined nearly 40% from their post-IPO highs, reflecting concerns over valuation, lockup expirations, and heavy capital expenditures. This is a natural part of the business cycle, and it is essential for investors to take a step back and assess the company's fundamentals. One of the key drivers of SpaceX's profitability is its Starlink satellite internet service. With thousands of satellites in orbit, the company is poised to provide global internet coverage, which could be a game-changer for remote communities and areas with limited access to broadband. However, as we've seen with many technological advancements, there's always the risk of commoditization and competition from terrestrial telecoms. Management's ambitious revenue targets of $1 trillion by 2030 have also raised some eyebrows among analysts. While it is exciting to think about the potential for growth, it is essential to separate hype from reality. Consensus analyst estimates for FY27 revenue are significantly lower at $90.9 billion, which highlights the challenges that SpaceX faces in achieving its goals. As we look to the future, it's clear that SpaceX will continue to play a significant role in shaping the space industry. With its technological prowess and growth potential, the company is an exciting player in the market. However, as investors, it's essential to approach the stock with a critical eye, considering both the opportunities and the challenges that lie ahead. As we gaze up at the stars, let's remember that the pursuit of space exploration is not just about technological advancements or financial returns. It's about expanding our understanding of the universe and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Whether you're an investor, a scientist, or simply someone who's passionate about space, there's no denying the sense of wonder and awe that comes from exploring the cosmos. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.